Hello, my name is Jeff Hovorka, and I'm here at the ProMat show in Chicago 2019. And we're here launching two very important mobile computers at the show today, both the MC9300 and the TC8300. What's important to our customers today is that the on-demand economy and e-commerce is turning our warehouse customers' operations upside down. The need to ship things more quickly, to accommodate more SKUs and inventory, train their users faster, is causing them to have to reevaluate the way their operations are running. At the same time, and as an example with our Series 9000, there's 3.5 million of these devices out in use today. It's the world's most trusted and most popular ultra-rugged mobile computer. And the operating system on these devices, Windows Mobile and Windows CE primarily, are no longer supported by Microsoft. So these customers are looking for the next generation product offering. The 9300 was launched at the show, and as you can see, it looks very similar to the Series 9000 product and is being very well received by customers who are coming into the booth. They're looking for a modern operating system. They're looking for a device that is equally or more rugged than the Series 9000. And the MC9300 gives them exactly what they're looking for. We're also launching the TC8300, which is an enhancement to the TC8000, which we still have for sale today. It was introduced in 2015. The TC8000 and now the TC8300 have a very distinctive form factor, which allows users to scan barcodes without having to tilt and verify for the next work instruction. So that increases their productivity, reduces any type of fatigue by simply being able to look at the device while they're scanning and getting their next work instruction. So this is a very distinctive form factor and one that is favored by those that adopt it in their warehouse. So one of the advantages of the MC9300 and TC8300 is a number of scan engine selections. One of the most pervasive scan engines is Zebra's extra long range scan engine, which allows our customers to scan from as close as 3 inches, perhaps on a work order as they sit in a forklift, and then they can scan as far as 70 feet, which for instance might be a barcode label on the top tier of a rack. So it gives them that flexibility without having to use a dedicated SKU for a specific function. So that's the 9300 and the TC8300. We're here at ProMat and we're getting a lot of interest, and we appreciate you watching.